Hercules having moved in there. The VC-10s, of course, shortly to be retired from service. You can see one of those making its final appearance in the Air Tattoo Static Park this weekend. Then you've got the new Voyagers now entering service. One of those is also here, and the Airbus A400M Atlas that we'll be seeing flying later. But this is one of the great workhorses of the RAF's air mobility fleet, the Lochkeed Tristar from number 216 Squadron. They're very, very busy, the Tristars, supporting British military operations around the world, both providing air-to-air refuelling and also passenger and freight transport. And this particular aircraft is in the hands of a crew headed by squadron leader Steve Pollard. A majestic sight, powering up and away, 3 Rolls-Royce RB211 turbofans powering this aeroplane. These aircraft were